guys, welcome back to the channel. Ed here, and I have a special guest today. My boy Joe. Say hi, Joe.
Hi!
We have a special unboxing idea that we had for the channel. We thought, well, what better way to include you guys, our audience, into what we're doing and to be as surprised as we are? Well, we figured we'd do a blind unboxing. And what that is we have 4 packages. Thank you, Joe. And in these packages, well, we don't know what's in these packages. Honestly, we don't. We left it up to Lynn.
Hello!
To pick the contents of the boxes. They could be anything. They could be lifestyle gear, they can be fun gear, they could be a prank. We don't know. We thought this might be fun for you guys to experience along with us what's in the box. But you're probably wondering, how are we gonna choose which one to open? Because we're only gonna open one. I'll let Joe explain that.
Okay, so we have a thing called the Wheel of Wonder. It has numbers on it just like the boxes.
He's right, just like the boxes.
I am going to spin the Wheel of Wonder, and whatever the pointer points on, that's the box we're going to open. So let's get started.
So you guys got that? The Wheel of Wonder. And Joe's gonna spin it in 1, 2, 3. Box number 4. Okay guys, so we're gonna open it up and see what's in the box because I wonder, get it? Wheel of Wonder? What's inside? Okay, Joe. It's like Christmas on the channel.
What's in the box?
I wonder what's in the box. Wow, this is cool. It says Codenames Marvel. Alright, so far so good. It's my favorite comic book company, Marvel, which is awesome. So this looks like it's a board game. It looks like Spider-Man and a guest character. If you guys can figure this out, you can follow me on @LivingDadly on Twitter and tell me who you think it is.
So in the box, an instruction manual and some wheeled cards. It looks like blue cards with an eagle on it.
It's not just an eagle, it is the symbol of
SHIELD.
SHIELD! Of course, the secret spy organization that helps out in times of need in the Marvel Universe, of course.
But then there's an eagle with a red line on it, and that stands for Hydra!
Boo! Hydra! Boo, they're the bad guys. We do not like Hydra.
So, what else is in the box? Some more Hydra thingies.
There's some more Hydra cards. Look, pick it to the camera.
Some Hydra cards.
Oh, but there's some special cards here. Infinity Gauntlet. Which was called inside the Infinity Stones.
Okay. So, for his glove, we also have Infinity Stone cards. Woo!
Woo!
Some plastic bags for something I don't know.
Plastic bags? We're gonna eat lunch to this? Secret plastic bags. Ooh. Okay, what else is in the box?
If I'm correct,
He probably is.
one of these cards out for me to show him?
Sure, we'll take one card out. Okay.
One of these cards is supposed to go inside holder upper thingy.
Holder upper thingy? Holder upper thingy? Nice going. Nice dropping. So these things go onto the card. We haven't read the instructions. Usually mom reads the instructions.
Right, Mom?
That's right.
Okay, so we'll know for sure what they actually mean later on.
So, what else in the back? We have
More
these.
cards, right?
In the instruction manual, or on the back of this, it said only the shield agents or something know where the enemy targets are placed. So I think we have some enemy target cards here.
Yes, okay. Next, we have some of these cool cards. What's
We
that?
have some cards that say trap on the back in yellow.
These look like they're character cards.
Back of this one, it says Shankanteen Tea.
No. Doesn't say that at all. It says Chitauri.
Oh.
And for all of those who saw the first Avengers movie, you know those were the bad guys in that movie.
And you know what a chant on TT is really bad.
It's not at all what it says at all. Alright, so that's pretty much the contents of the box. So basically this was an a surprise unboxing with the Wheel of Wonder and a first look at a cool family activity that, well, we're gonna look forward to playing together. So, guys, I hope you liked this little funny, goofy video. So as usual, hit that notification bell to be alerted to more videos like this when they drop.
And, of course, remember to hit the like button if you like this video. And also because I said so.
And also because Joe said so. So, until next time, Dad and Joe out. Peace. So you guys got that? The Wheel of Wonder.
Wonder.
Thank you for that, Mama.